Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product that's perfect for all you karaoke enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the BONAOK wireless Bluetooth karaoke microphone, specifically designed to shine in noisy environments. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now, let's get started. The BONAOK karaoke microphone is a 3-in-1 portable handheld mic speaker that's compatible with all smartphones. It comes in a stunning rose gold color and offers an array of features that make it a standout choice for karaoke lovers. So, what sets this microphone apart from the rest? Let's talk about its key features. First and foremost, the BONAOK microphone boasts an ergonomic design that's comfortable to hold for extended periods. The built-in high-quality Bluetooth module allows it to function not only as a microphone but also as a wireless speaker, an MP3 player, and a recorder, making it incredibly versatile. With both Bluetooth and cable connections available, you can connect your phone effortlessly. Pair it with your device via Bluetooth or use the included cable for a direct connection. It's perfect for various singing applications, making it a versatile choice for all ages. The microphone supports micro SD cards up to 32 GB and offers song switching capabilities. With a reliable Bluetooth connection that spans up to 10 meters, you can enjoy your karaoke sessions without any hiccups. The BONAOK microphone features multi-function buttons that allow you to switch between different modes. Adjust microphone settings, echo levels, and music volume separately. It even has an echo mode that immerses you in your surroundings, creating a truly immersive experience. This microphone is suitable for everyone, from kids to adults. It comes with all the accessories you need, including an audio cable, charging cable, user manual, and a colorful box, making it an excellent gift idea for friends and family on various occasions. Now, let's talk about the most critical aspect, sound quality. The BONAOK microphone offers a crystal clear sound experience with its built-in speakers and improved bass diaphragm cavity. Whether you're singing your favorite songs or hosting a karaoke party, it delivers powerful, immersive sound. Worried about running out of battery during your karaoke marathon? With up to 5 to 10 hours of sing time, this microphone has you covered. Plus, it charges quickly, ensuring minimal downtime. In conclusion, the BONAOK wireless Bluetooth karaoke microphone is a versatile, user-friendly, and stylish choice for all your karaoke needs. Its excellent sound quality, ergonomic design, and compatibility with various devices make it a top pick, especially in noisy environments. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in getting your hands on the BONAOK karaoke microphone, we've included a link in the video description below for your convenience. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, please leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.